What's up guys, how's it going? Thank you guys for tuning in. This is one I'm super excited for. I've gotten a lot of modifications for my Tesla and I've done a lot to it that I really like, but this is one that I haven't really gotten around to yet. So when EVBASE reached out and they offered me to check out this new front lip, I jumped for joy. This is a great way to modify your car to protect the front end and then make it look way more aggressive, stanced out, and cooler than what a traditional normal stock Model Y looks like. It's a very simple installation. It goes just down here, right on the front, and it makes your car, like I said, look like a completely different vehicle than what it looks like stock. We're gonna go ahead with this unboxing. We're gonna show the installation. Let's jump right into it.
There are 3 parts to the front lip as well as the instruction booklet. There's some double-sided 3M tape as well as some of the bolts needed to screw everything together. Here are the clips, and then here's me opening up the individual parts of the front lip, both sides and the front. Step 1 is to align the 3 parts of the front lip. Not very difficult, just make sure that they're in the right order. Use the provided screws, they're the smallest one in the pack. Step 2 is to remove the under bumper clips. You can use a tool or just a screwdriver for this. Step 3 is to pull a quarter of the 3M tape off of the tape strips on the inside of the front lip. Do not pull it all off so you can remove the lip if needed for readjusting. Step 4 is to fit the front lip onto the front bumper of the Tesla. This may require some small adjustments. Step 5, once fit properly, remove all the 3M tape backing. Step 6 is to put the provided screw clips into the holes where the original clips were to hold on to the front bumper. Here's me removing the excess 3M tape that I forgot. Step 7 is to prepare the self-tapping screws for insertion into the bumper. They must screw into the bumper, and they are not in the kit. I had to buy these at Lowe's. Step 8 is to drill pilot holes for the self-tapping screws. This is essential. Do not skip this. Next, add some thread locker, blue 242 to the self-tapping screws. Step 9 is to screw the self-tapping screws in by hand. Do not use a drill or you risk stripping the plastic.
All right, we are finally done with this project. We're gonna put some painter's tape on it overnight to make it stay in place longer and make sure that it doesn't fall off. The only downside to doing this project was that it did not come with the proper screws for my car. My Model Y only had, I believe it was 8 tapping screws in the middle, or eight little plastic screws in the middle. It might have even been 6. So I needed to get self-tapping screws to screw into the bumper myself. Kinda not really what I wanted to do, but at the end of the day, it's on there. It looks good, and I'm pretty happy with it. So as you can see, with the exception of having to get those self-tapping screws, the install went super smooth and the final product looks amazing. 10 out of 10, I think that this modification is something that all Tesla owners need to do. The look of the front end just looks a little normal and kind of like every other SUV when it doesn't have that front lip on it. Definitely adds to the aggression factor, especially for something that goes 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. After a couple months with this product, I've had 0 issues with it. There's no chance that's gonna come off that front bumper. I've hit some super solid speeds and I've heard nothing different, no weird noises. I do get the slight concern that sometimes I might hit it on a speed bump. It sits about like maybe 2-3 inches lower than what the OEM bumper sits at, but it looks amazing and it protects your bumper from other scratches that can occur to it. I look at it like a win-win. And it's just nice making your car look a little different from everybody else's. Teslas all kind of look the same and it's hard to differentiate one from another. This at least adds another determining factor where people will be like, oh, that one's not mine. I'm not gonna try to open the handles and get into it. Huge shout out to EVBASE for sending this to me. Their products are superb, they're super high quality, and I 10 out of 10 recommend them to all my friends. Great stuff, seriously. Don't forget to use my code if you want to buy your own on EVBASE.com. My code is MODTESLA. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope that you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Thank you so much, and peace.